Did you know that you're one of the best forex traders in this world? I bet you did it. Now in this video I'm going to show you the reason why 99% fail in this forex market, but you are not among the 99%. Okay, so stick around guys. Okay, so I'm going to show you, for example, NZD/USD. First things first, let me just hit my replay tool and maybe show you what I'm talking about right there. Okay, now you might be right in the direction that, oh, this market may be going up or down, but ignoring certain tiny things might be the problem. Okay, so that now brings us to patience. Okay, so now look at this. Let's talk about NZD/USD. Probably we had this type of pattern, something like this. Of course, now we understand that that is a continuation pattern. Okay, that is a bearish flag, because now generally we see that price was moving down and now it started consolidating like this. And okay, we understand that if it hits this level, probably might do this before we continue going down. You know, those are just kind of anticipation. At the same time, we have to understand that this might be maybe a left shoulder like this. Price gives us a head, then comes down, give us a right shoulder. That is when it breaks. So those are the things that, of course, we understand that price might do. Okay, now like I said before, you might be the best traders, or let me just say you are a best trader. Okay, because now you understand those forex structures, but now patience is going to be the problem. Okay, so let's see. The market did this. Okay, let's see. All right, right there. Okay, now we understand that now price has already given us a head and shoulder like we anticipated before. And like we say, if we cut the head, no, those are just the basic things. Okay, the basic things a forex trader needs to know. And I believe you that is watching this video, you are aware that that is a head and shoulder, and we know how to trade a head and shoulder. That is what's up. But now, like I said before, patience. Remember, we're looking for sales. Okay, so we're not just going to take sell entry anyway. Okay, now, okay, we have seen a head and shoulder. As usual, price will be giving us bearish property, so we should take our sell position immediately. No. Okay, so let me just continue. So now we just need to go back to the H1. Okay, all right. Now when we go to the H1, we should wait for price basically to take out that bearish trend, you know, that bearish continuation pattern, or the bearish flag. So this is what I'm talking about. Probably market take out this support, then now probably give us a retest. That is when we take our sell position. So let's see the market continue going up. All right. All right, so right now we have a break. Okay, and as usual, we understand from every articles and every YouTube video that we've been watching, after a break we expect a retest. That is when we execute our position. So let us go with that type of a you know, guru type of a play. So let's see. Okay, we understand that each and every time the guru said, you know, after a break expect a retest, and okay, right there. So probably we might take our position something like this, and make our stop loss, you know, above our resistance or above our previous high, probably somewhere around that level, you know, and you know, target maybe this level, somewhere around somewhere like that. Okay, now that is the guru way and the articles way, but you know, let's see what the market did. Oh, then we were stopped out. So you just wonder, why did this market stop me out? Remember, yes, all the conference just showed that, yo, we should be taking our sell position, but the market just took us out. So you still ask yourself, yo, what happened? Do I really know how to trade forex? So those are the kind of questions that maybe will be running through your mind. But there's a certain thing that, guys, you missed: detail, patience. So let me just show you what I'm talking about. Okay, now when I talk about head and shoulder, guys, I usually say hide the left shoulder. So if you do like this, Okay, you understand that now price is giving us a downtrend, which is a lower low and a lower high. So if we bring in our trend, guys, we are back to our trend line thing. Let me just hit this, something like that. Okay, so we are back to our trend line type of a play. So that means you made your entry, or probably let's just use the last, you know, the last two support, highs, something like this. Okay, so it means, let me just clone this to, let me clone like this, and maybe have it around that level. So I hope right now you guys are seeing where you went wrong. Okay, you see that you made your sell position at the support, which is crazy. Okay, so we're back to that thing that I usually say, guys: ignoring trends, and that is now being patient and understand, try to interpret what the market is doing. Okay, so let me try to zoom in. So you see where we made our sell position right here, and you see there's a trend, a support level, this line like that you guys can see. That's a mistake. So that was the tiniest mistake that we missed out as a newbies, or go with the guru type of a thing, but let me show you how we could have taken this entry. So let me just remove this. Okay, now remember, of course, we understand after an impulse we have a correction. Okay, or the gurus usually say after break expect a retest and then you take your position, but I won't say after break expect a retest. No, the market might, of course, break, then gives us a retest, just with a V, but I don't like such type of a retest, guys. I do prefer continuation patterns. Okay, now we have a bullish pattern and also a bearish pattern. So over here, let me show you. Over here we had no bearish continuation pattern. Okay, so I usually advise that we wait for price to give us bearish or bullish patterns or continuation pattern. That is when we wait for another reversal, either a double top or a double bottom, a head and shoulder, or an inverse head and shoulder at the 15. That is when we execute. So right here we might consider adding more trends, something like this, something like this, so we anticipate that price might probably give me, this is a left shoulder, goes up, comes down, goes up to give me a right shoulder. Then if it breaks, that is when we should be executing our position. So let's see. Correct, right there. So we understand that, okay, right now we should underline this level or draw our support level, then maybe make it, but there's also another thing, guys. Price is crazy, so price might also go back and take out that right shoulder, because most these market movers, they are aware that, okay, head and shoulder, you guys make your stop loss above the right shoulder, so they are aware that that is where most of the stop loss are. So I do prefer that we make our stop loss at the head, okay, to be on the safer side, because if price takes out our right shoulder, that means price might go up to retest that head, probably now to give us a double top, since our head and shoulder is no more valid. Okay, so let's see. We make our stop loss above the head right there, and of course now this is the right time to target this level. At the same time, we might anticipate that price might do this, then now continue going up in respect to that trend line of ours. Then now once again you might consider making another sell position right there, something like this, and target that level, something like this. So let's see what the market did. Respecting that, okay, we had a break. So right now we are in, we've taken our sell position. So let's continue. Market did, sorry, all right, so that's it. Okay, that's amazing. All right, let's go. And our TP was hit. Okay, so you see that was an amazing trade, guys, and I hope you guys learned that. Okay, like I said before, you are an amazing forex trader, but the thing is, you need to be keen on certain details that the market is doing. Like I said before in my previous video, that the market usually print out or give out blueprints. Okay, it shows you where the market wants to go. So guys, if you did not understand this video, kindly, rewind this video, watch it, take it slow by slow, guys, until you understand, man. Adios amigos, peace.